Click on the link below to get price. The Aipas M1 Pro electric bike is an impressive addition to the burgeoning e-bike market, particularly for those seeking power and versatility. With its 1800W peak motor, this bike stands out as a robust option for adults who appreciate both speed and performance. The bike's powerful motor allows for rapid acceleration, making it perfect for commuting or recreational rides. It can easily reach speeds of up to 28 miles per hour, allowing riders to tackle hills and inclines with ease. One of the most notable features of the Aipas M1 Pro is its versatility. It comes equipped with a large-capacity lithium battery that provides a range of approximately 40 to 60 miles on a single charge, depending on the mode of operation and terrain. This makes it ideal for longer journeys, ensuring that riders don't have to worry about running out of battery during their rides. The build quality is another highlight, with a sturdy aluminum frame that provides both durability and a lightweight feel. Coupled with front and rear suspension, the bike offers a smooth ride across various terrains, whether you're navigating city streets or tackling off-road trails. The 20-inch fat tires provide excellent grip and stability, further enhancing the riding experience. The bike's design is user-friendly, featuring a clear LCD display that shows speed, battery level, and distance traveled, helping riders keep track of their performance. Additionally, the bike includes both pedal assist and throttle modes, catering to different riding preferences. However, the Aipas M1 Pro is not without its drawbacks. The assembly process can be somewhat challenging for those unfamiliar with bike mechanics. Additionally, while the bike is powerful, its weight may be a consideration for some users, particularly when it comes to storage or transport. Overall, the Aipas M1 Pro electric bike provides an excellent blend of power, range, and comfort, making it a formidable choice for anyone in search of a reliable electric bike. Its performance and features justify its place in the competitive e-bike market.